Now let us delve deeper into the try and catch block. So in a Java program, you can have multiple try and catch block as I have shown in this code. Here, as you can see, there is a first try and catch block in here, then there is a second try and catch block over here, and you can have as many try and catch block in your program, even inside a function, as many you want. So what happens? So this is a normal developer's principle. What you need to do as a Java developer is like, first think of how many exception or how many different types of exception can occur in your code. So that's what you have to first figure out. And also you have to figure out where these exception can occur. And then what you have to do in all those places where you thought that the exception can occur, where you think the code is exception prone, in those places use separate try and catch block to handle each of those exceptions separately. For example, let's say in one place of your Java code, it is taking a file as an input, and you expected that, well, there can be a file not found exception, so include a try catch block to handle that file not found exception in one place of your code. Then in a second place of your code, you are dividing two numbers, and you expected that, well, there can also be an exception if the denominator is 0, so add another try and catch block to handle that exception. So that's the normal developer's principle, and you need to remember that. And as I have told earlier, that you can have as many try catch block as you want in your code, and even inside one single function you can have multiple try catch block.